Hello and welcome back. Unemployment day 10, marking the 10-day mark. How good is that? Today's gonna be another short one. I'm just gonna be talking today. Plans, really. I need to set a goal and have a plan for it to make sure it happens because right now I'm just starting the day confused and then not confused obviously. I know I had I have a plan, a vague one or a big goal, but I want to have more specific things like projects and stuff. And when I was doing that to-do list, I found it. What was I going to say? Yeah, I found it on like a website, didn't I? Or I found it on a book, and the whole way to do it. So I want to do things completely by myself. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna, as I've shown before, I've got that as that roadmap backend thing that I'll show on that website. I'm probably just gonna follow that, make some notes, and then when I'm bored of it, or maybe I'll start with making some projects and then do that. And specifically, if I get up, oh crap, oopsie, hold, hold. If I get this up again, there you go. So yeah, I'll probably just do some of these. I already basically did this. Let me read this quick. Add, update, delete task, master task, complete list of tasks that are not done are in progress. Constraints: you can use any programming language, use a JSON. Creative does not exist. Use a native file system module. Do not use, yeah. So that works. So I'm probably just gonna go down, I'll just start doing a few, just do it. Just actually do it. You know what I mean? I'm just getting a bit confused when I'm just like, oh, I don't know what to do, I don't know what to do. I need to have a goal, and the goal for tomorrow should definitely be just to do one of these, see how much you can do, and then even if you can't do it, just if you can't do it in a day, obviously that's fine. Just keep doing it. And the to-do list is basically done, so I'm happy to say that's done. There's obviously I can do more features on it, but yeah, it's because the only reason why I want to stop doing it is because I found all the solutions on a book, and I want to do one of these completely by myself. So that's the plan. The title of this video is probably just gonna be plan. Yeah, there's some more work on my laptop. I was making this markdown thingy-majiggy markdown reader, but it's also from that book, so I need to go off of that. But I was also doing some more exercises like I was showing in yesterday's video. Practice, practice, practice. So yeah, I think that's the plan really, is to make projects, because I don't want to be stuck in tutorial hell, or following other people's work, because you learn the most by getting it wrong. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna, like this one, this is the next one I'm gonna do 100% GitHub user activity. I don't even know how to use the GitHub thing. It's probably build a simple command line interface to fetch the recent activity of GitHub user and display it to the terminal. Yeah. Like, could I do this right now? I mean, I could get pretty far, but I've never used the GitHub API before, so that's what I want to do. Not have it completely done with, not having all the answers already and then just giving it a go. Whoa. If I hold Alt, doesn't it? Hey. How about that for a face cam? Alright. Stop acting up. Stop acting up. That'll probably be it. Just a quick 5-minute chat. Yeah, just do some projects. Simple as that. Don't overcomplicate it, and eventually you'll learn some more. You as in me. I'm pointing at myself right now. I will learn some more skills and more practice in the language and start getting to more advanced things. So yeah, that's the plan. And day 10 is just a plan catch up. I'll probably call it, yeah, like a catch up or something. Catch up on a plan, whatever. See you tomorrow, day 11. Also, Bloody hell, it's so hard to do work when it's this hot. Like, I wish I could be working outside, but then you can't see the screen, you know what I mean? I need like an aircon or something, but it's just so hot. No wind, no nothing. No wind, sorry. But yeah, enough excuses, lock in. See ya.